Hi, we're crossing the Rubicon. It's time to start taking this car apart. The next couple of videos, there won't be a lot of discussion, not a lot of talk. I will give you some insights, some quick shots of stuff I'm removing, but basically I'm stripping out everything that isn't essential to this functioning as an electric car. You know, air intake, cooling system, peripheral stuff, exhaust, turbocharger, gas tank. It's all coming out over the next couple of weeks. If this project is doomed to fail, I won't have much of a car left at the end of it, but that's what's going to happen next. Thanks.
I'm having fun.